Welcome everybody to this episode where we are going to be learning our Igbo vowels. Igbo vowels is called Odaume and there are 8 numbers. So in Igbo vowels we have the light vowels and we have the heavy vowels. So in today's episode we are going to be learning the Igbo vowels, because understanding of the Igbo vowels, how it sounds, will help you pronounce most of the Igbo words. So let's get to it. So first of all, we have to understand what vowels mean. Udaume, which is called vowels, are those type of speech whose production does not obstruct the flow of air from the lungs. So this simply means when producing those sounds, air is not obstructed from coming out from your lungs through your mouth. So your mouths are open so that the sound comes out freely. Free. So that's the meaning of vowels. So there's something called vowel harmony. This is simply harmonizing the vowel. A sing, E sing. So this simply means that all Igbo words must go with their vowel head. And we have the A group and we have the E group. So if any word at all have the A sounds, it must rhyme. So let's say a word have O, which is O with a dot. Every other thing in the word must rhyme with the A group. Or let's say a word have the O in it, which is the heavy vowel. Every other word or alphabet in that word must rhyme with the E group, which is the E group, the heavy vowels. So the light vowels stay together, the heavy vowels stay together. So I sing, E sing, to harmonize the word, to harmonize the sentence, to make it sound nice in the ear. Just like when you're singing and you sing off beats, everybody knows it doesn't make sense in the ear. It's not sweet to the ear. So we Igbos, we harmonize our word. It's to make it sound nice in the ear. So that is the rule of vowel harmony. Hope you understand it now. If you don't worry. You understand it when we start learning the vowels and examples. It will make sense. So let's get right into the heavy vowels and the light vowels. So my lovelies, there's the 8 Igbo vowels. Udaume Igbo. Ngwa ka anyị mụọ ọnụ ya. Let's learn it. We have the A, we have the E, we have the U, and we have the U, and we have the E, and we have E, then O. The last one is O. Can you try that? A. A sound like A. Apple. About. E. Like egg. Then we have the light U. U. And we have the heavy oo, like Uber. Then we have the heavy E, which is a normal I. Then we have the light I that have a dot under it, which is the E. Then we have the heavy O, which is a regular O. O is for orange. Oroma, that's orange in Igbo. Then we have the light O with a dot, which is O, like ordinary, order, O. So O, heavy, O, light. O, heavy, U, light. E, heavy, E, light. So hope you have learned how to pronounce your heavy and light vowel. So here I group them by their group. Like I said, we have the heavy and we have the light. So the light vowels are the A group, the A group, which are the dotted vowels. And we have the heavy vowels, which are undotted vowels. And the light vowels, the A group, are very light. If you noticed it in the first step I was pronouncing them, they are very light. They sound like someone singing soprano for those in choir. And the heavy are very low. You relax yourself, you relax your vocal when you pronouncing the heavy. While the light, you use your strength. It's high and light. So they are called Udanfe. The heavy and the Oda Arrow are the light are the Udanfe. Mfe in Igbo is something light. Oda Arrow means heavy. Arrow means heavy. Oda means sound. So Udanfe and Oda Arrow. We have learned them, but we can go over it again. So in the A group, we have A, E, O. The heavy, A, E, O, U. Can you try it? A, E, O. Heavy, A, E, O, U. So can you try it now yourself? That's good. So you can try it again. A, E, O. E, E, O, U. So, my wonderful learners, I believe you must have learned your vowels, Udaume, Nibu, by now. So, thank you so much for watching and for learning. If you enjoy this video and you still want more, watch my next video on examples using vowel sounds. There you're going to be seeing words and sentences using the vowel we have learned so far, and the vowel harmony is going to make more sense with these examples using the light vowels and the heavy vowels. So I appreciate you so much. Thank you. I love you. Daalụ ndị ọma na-ege m ntị. Please subscribe, like, and share my video if you really enjoy watching it. If you're learning from it, please like, subscribe, and share so that others can learn. Que mesia!